Now, in this video, we are going to work on the cash flow worksheet, which is the income statement, or in other words, profit and loss statement. But before we continue with this worksheet, I want us to go back to the expense worksheet. And this is one of the part that we did not complete from the previous video. So the total cost, to complete the total cost, will be equal to um, the total staff cost plus the total of other cost. So it's equals to D5 plus D10. So that's the total cost for the expense. And press enter and simply use a fill handle again. Okay, so now let's move on to the cash flow worksheet. Now for the cash flow worksheet, we have this. We have the revenue, and then the EBITDA, EBIT, and EBT will be explained in the Word document, and then you can fully understand these initials and the formulas that I use there. But using Excel will be very easy for you to understand once we go through. Now, to compute the revenue, I want us to go to the type equal and go to the revenue worksheet and click cell B13 and press enter, and then simply use a fill handle. And again, for the the staff cost equal, go to the expense worksheet and click inside cell D5. So that's the total staff cost. Press enter. So use a fill handle again, and for the other cost, again equal expense, and total for the other cost is this one, expense in cell D10. Press enter, use fill handle. Okay, now to compute the total expenses, click inside cell C9, and I want you to hold down the Alt key. While holding it down, press the equal sign, and then it will say sum of C7 to C8. That's correct. Press enter, and then use a fill handle to compute the total expense for the year. Now let's compute the EBITDA. Now, to compute the EBITDA, we type equal and then cell C5, which is the revenue, minus the total expense, and press enter. So it will be, we will have a C5 minus C9. Press enter, use fill handle. To compute the depreciation and amortization expense, D&A expense, type equal, and it will be equal to the expense in cell D20. Expense in cell D20, this one. Press enter and use fill handle. To compute the EBIT, type equal. EBIT is equals to cell C11 minus cell C13. So cell E11 is the EBITDA minus C13, which is the DNA expense, and press enter. Use fill handle again. Use fill handle again. Now to compute the interest, type equal and go to the balance sheet, and K2, that's the amount we borrowed from the bank, multiply with the assumption from cell B26, the interest rate. Take note that this K2 from this balance sheet should be absolute cell reference, and this one as well should be absolute cell reference, and then we multiply with, not multiply but divide with the number of months, which is 12, and press enter. So it will give us this. Use fill handle again. Use fill handle, and EBT is equals to EBIT, which is cell C14, minus the interest. So EBIT minus interest will be equal to EBT, and press enter. Use a fill handle. Use fill handle, and the next one is the second last one is the text. To compute the text, it's equals to text is equals to the EBT, which is C17, multiply with assumption from income tax, which is 25B27, and B27 should be an absolute cell reference, and press enter. Press enter. So it gives us this. Use fill handle, and finally the net income is equals to EBT minus tax, and our net income for January is 1,310. Again, use fill handle. Okay, so the final part is the compute the total. So total, again, use alt equal, and it should detect the cells, sum C5 to N5, that's correct, and press enter. Okay, so just copy, Control C, highlight all the cells, and then right click again, and use this paste formulas, and we are done. Just simply get rid of the 0, delete all the 0. And we are done creating the financial, creating the income statement or the profit and loss in other words, the profit and loss statement. Thank you, and I see you in the next video.